5 easy online income ideas for biochemical engineers.
Know each idea's success rate and top success factor.
Earn money online, from home. Earn money online, without investment.
Sorted in increasing success rate.
Idea 1 of 5. Sell biochemical simulations. Imagine virtual labs.
Develop computer models simulating biochemical processes like protein folding or enzyme kinetics, and sell them online to students and researchers.
30% success rate. Key factor. Focus on areas with high demand, like current research or common industry problems. Steps to get started. Step 1. Choose a relevant biochemical process to model. Step 2. Develop the simulation using specialized software or coding skills. Step 3. Create user-friendly interfaces and detailed documentation. Step 4. List your simulations on online marketplaces or your own website. Step 5. Provide excellent customer support to build trust and encourage repeat purchases. Idea 2 of 5. Create online biochemical courses. Become an online educator. Share your knowledge by creating engaging courses on platforms like Udemy, focusing on niches like biofuels or genetic engineering. 40% success rate. Key factor. Develop a clear curriculum with practical examples and real-world applications. Steps to get started. Step 1. Choose a niche topic you're passionate about and with high demand. Step 2. Develop a detailed course outline with clear learning objectives. Step 3. Record high-quality video lectures, demonstrations, and explanations. Step 4. Upload your course to an online learning platform and set your pricing. Step 5. Promote your course through social media, targeted outreach, and collaborations with influencers. Idea 3 of 5. Sell biochemical kits. Make learning fun and accessible. Design engaging biochemical experiment kits that teach specific skills like DNA extraction or protein purification. 50% success rate. Key factor. Ensure your kits teach valuable skills or concepts. Steps to get started. Step 1. Choose a specific biochemical process or skill to teach. Step 2. Source safe and affordable materials for your experiments. Step 3. Develop clear and concise instructions with visuals and troubleshooting guides. Step 4. Set up an online store or partner with science education retailers. Step 5. Market your kits through educational platforms, social media, and relevant communities. Idea 4 of 5. Monetize a biochemical blog. Share your expertise. Start a blog focused on biochemical engineering, catering to students, researchers, or professionals depending on your chosen niche. 60% success rate. Key factor. Write informative and engaging articles relevant to your target audience. Steps to get started. Step 1. Choose a niche within biochemical engineering that interests you. Step 2. Create a user-friendly blog with a consistent publishing schedule. Step 3. Write high-quality articles addressing topics relevant to your chosen niche. Step 4. Optimize your blog for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords. Step 5. Foster a community by encouraging comments, discussions, and guest posts in online biochemical communities. Idea 5 of 5. License biochemical inventions. Be an innovator. Develop a biochemical invention with significant commercial applications, addressing real-world problems in healthcare, agriculture, or environmental sustainability. 70% success rate. Key factors. Focus on inventions that solve real-world problems and have a clear market demand. Steps to get started. Step 1. Identify a specific biochemical problem and design an innovative solution. Step 2. Conduct market research to validate the need and potential applications of your invention. Step 3. Secure a patent to protect your intellectual property rights. Step 4. Develop a licensing strategy to partner with companies and earn royalties. Step 5. Network at industry events and conferences to connect with potential licensees. In the last video, I talked about easy income opportunities for electrical engineers. Here's the video. Sharing might help your friends. Also, these tools boost your business.